Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Mycelium wallet account. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end, and before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, if you don't have the Mycelium wallet application, you can go ahead and search for it on the Google Play Store or iOS App Store. Once you find the application, just tap on the install button and wait for the installation to complete. And now you can just tap on the open button to open up the Mycelium application. Now, once you open the application, you will be asked whether to create a new wallet or restore from existing one. In order to restore your account, you will need to restore from existing wallet, so tap on the second option. Now you will be asked to enter your master seed or your passphrase. If you have lost your master seed, then unfortunately you will not be able to recover your Mycelium wallet account, and you will sadly lose all of your crypto within it. If you don't have your master seed but you do remember your passphrase, you can tap on the I have a passphrase button and then enter your passphrase to recover your account from there as well. And there you have it. That is how simple it is to recover your Mycelium wallet account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.